This is Dr. Sunitha Tank, and this is my YouTube channel. Welcome to Leaders in Making. And on students' request, I was very much motivated to start the new series of my session. In the past, as you have seen the channel, we have covered a lot of stuff on the internships, how to prepare for internships, how to work for interviews, how to work for GD, specifically related to the internships. And we have also covered few videos on the admission perspective. So this time students have requested, a lot of candidates have requested to cover the areas of campus recruitment and related area. So my personal thanks to all of you who have subscribed and loved this channel, Leaders in Making. I personally believe that people are born leaders, and if not, they can be made a leader and they can become a leader. So I'm doing this video so that you can mention the topic of your choice in the comment section, and we will pick up few relevant topics which are common for all the students across the regions. And you can mention, apart from campus placement, what area of improvement for yourself you would like to have. You want to talk about specializations, you want to talk about certain jobs, you want to talk about proper campus placements, how to prepare it, self-introspections. These are just the ideas. But I would really appreciate if you can mention in the comment that on which topic would you like to have a professional counseling or a mentoring session related to corporate per se. So you all are welcome once again on the channel Leaders in Making, and you all can also see our website in detail, www.leadersinmaking.com. I will also mention the URL of the website below in the description box, and you can keep on mentioning the topic of your choice. And from now, the new series is dedicated to all the viewers who have subscribed and loved this channel. We will be including all the relevant topics who are relevant for all the general category of students across India region specifically. So try to mention the topic of your own interest wherein you would like to listen from me and from my experience and exposure. And these series will be in continuation. We'll keep on posting the video once in 10 days or 15 days time, as and when we feel that the topic is really relevant for all the people here. And you can definitely like and subscribe, and please put on the notifications. A lot of students have suggested that, ma'am, whenever you post a video we are not able to see. My request to you that please put on the notifications, and you can share it with your classmates and peers as well. We, along with the freshers recruitment processes and campus placements for the fresher category, we will also be including few topics of interest for the working professionals. As a professional certified coach, I would definitely like to talk about team building, team challenges, when you become the manager for the first time, what peer challenges you come across, what are the networking concerns, what are the project concerns, what are the project deadlines concern. And also I will be doing a lot of videos on client handling. Client handling is the area which I personally believe has to be very, very strong when you want to go and have a mark in the corporate world. So my dear friends, this is a request to all of you. I would like you to comment in the comment section that on which topic would you like to have a session, and these series will be dedicated to all my subscribers. Thank you, be blessed, and have a rocking career ahead.